What is a retargeting pixel and why you should learn about it as a business owner with a website? Have you ever visited any website only to have it follow you around on social media sites, other websites, and even in emails in the form of advertisements? This is especially noticeable when viewing products on Amazon. I'm sure you've experienced it. You're looking for some new headphones on Amazon, and after you leave, everywhere you go you see Amazon ads with the same exact headphones you looked at. Well, that phenomenon is not happening because of some crazy conspiracy that your cell phone is listening to you or Big Brother is watching you. These ads are following you around along with countless others because the websites that you are visiting have a small piece of code installed inside them called a retargeting pixel. And as annoying as some may find it, the fact is that retargeting pixels are proven to work amazingly well to bring new leads and sales to any business. Why is that? Well, I'm sure you've heard the concept that it typically takes 5 points of contact before you really start to sell with more ease. In today's marketplace, a person has to be constantly reminded of your product or service to make a sale because they are being bombarded by thousands of other companies for countless other offers. One product is simply a speck of sand in the desert among all the other products and services being advertised out there. I mean, we all know what Coca-Cola is, right? It's been around for 127 years. You'd think they would save their advertising dollars now that they have that strong of a brand recognition. Nope. They continue to advertise to remind you that their product exists and that if you're thirsty, Coca-Cola is one of your options. So, in order to stand out in an overcrowded marketplace and even become the center of attention, follow-up is an extremely important part of the sales process, even with major household name brands. Well, we have detected a massive problem with your website, but also an equally massive opportunity. Right now, at this very moment, you are losing potential sales and leads because you do not have a retargeting pixel on your website. And that sucks. You probably spent a lot of money to build a website to help your customers find you, right? You probably work pretty hard to drive traffic to your site too. As a business owner with an online presence, you do those things to keep up with the demands of an ever-changing marketing landscape. But here's what's happening with your website visitors. Right now, even as you're watching this, the vast majority, 80 to 90% of potential customers who are visiting your website are leaving without taking any action. No phone call, no email submit, nothing. They check you out and then leave and go watch funny cat videos on YouTube. They never think about you again. So, what's your solution and opportunity? When you install a retargeting pixel on your site, which can be done in just minutes, every single person who visits your website can be constantly reminded about your business in the form of retargeting advertisements. Your business can now follow your website visitors around the internet the same way all the other biggest brands in the world do. Like Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, you get the point. With a retargeting pixel installed on your business website, your lost visitors will see your business when they're watching funny cat videos on YouTube, see your business when they're checking their Facebook feed or messages, see your business when they're checking their Instagram accounts, see your business when they're reading news articles online, see your business almost anywhere on the internet even though it's not your website. And when you have the ability to combine the power of capturing your lost traffic in a pixel and then remarketing to them, you will easily be able to reach your 5 points of contact and get more leads, close more sales, increase your bottom line. And the best part of all, a retargeting pixel can be set up in mere minutes. It starts working the very instant it's installed on your website. It requires no extra work on your part. It's completely hands-free and automated. Our business is helping your business recapture and remarket to your lost visitors. We can set up your retargeting pixel. We can set up your remarketing campaign. We can help you in as little as 24 hours. Go ahead and click the button below to schedule a casual conversation with us about helping your business.